Say hello to West LA, your ticket to modern minimalism and campus proximity in the city of Los Angeles. Your cozy new non-en-suite comes with snug capsule beds, thoughtfully designed to give you the perfect shared living experience. Your rent includes a television for endless weekend entertainment, high-speed Wi-Fi for uninterrupted studying, and all utilities. Cook your next masterpiece in a fully equipped kitchen with your own microwave, oven, and dishwasher. For extra comfort, enjoy fresh linens, an iron plus ironing board to keep you sharp, and cleaning services in the common areas. From essentials like reliable security and on-site laundry facilities, to extras like a super cool photo studio, living here is super convenient. And here's the best part. University of California and Antioch University are only minutes away by car, making your trip to class a breeze. Hop onto a bus from Sepulveda Boulevard or catch the light rail at Westwood for smooth and speedy city explorations. So, don't delay this decision. Secure your spot at West LA in Los Angeles via amberstudent.com before it's gone.